Just a quick little vid on how I made these to get the steering wheel off of Ford or Jacobsen. This one's a 2-spoke, as you can see, just a 2-spoke. But this puller, this is just a Harbor Freight cheapo puller. Works great for just random shit. But I just used the big tapered end, stuck that in there. But that, and then these bolts here I bent just enough to hook on, and it was just enough to get this steering wheel off without messing up that shaft, because they're hollow. And well, the very first one I tried pulling on a tractor, it didn't turn out so hot. I did a little damage to it, didn't wreck it, but damaged the threads a little. But so yeah, just take some really long bolts. These are 3/8. Take some 3/8 bolts, bend them in a U. And I put one going that way, and the other one going this way, which helped keep it a little straighter. Put quite a fair amount of pressure, gave the whack on the hammer on the end there, and popped right off. So something a guy can whip up out of threaded rod or damn near anything to get this damn steering wheel off. So